Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting Italian supercars on the road, right? Now the incredible 2026 Maserati MC20. This car represents a bold step forward for Maserati, combining stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking performance into a machine that truly captures the spirit of modern supercars. If you love speed, style, and Italian engineering, the MC20 is a car that absolutely demands attention. From the very first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Maserati MC20 immediately shows why this car stands out in the supercar world. The design is sleek, aggressive, and unmistakably Italian. The low and wide stance gives the car an athletic presence, while the sculpted bodywork flows beautifully from the front to the rear. Maserati designed the MC20 with aerodynamics in mind, but they managed to do it without adding excessive wings or vents, which keeps the design clean and elegant. At the front, the signature Maserati grille sits proudly with the iconic Trident badge in the center. Slim LED headlights stretch back into the fenders, giving the car a sharp and futuristic look. The hood features subtle sculpting that helps guide airflow across the car, improving both cooling and stability at high speeds. The entire front end feels purposeful and precise, like it was designed to slice through the air. Moving along the side profile, the MC20 becomes even more dramatic thanks to its butterfly doors. These doors not only look spectacular when opened, but also make it easier to get in and out of the low-slung cabin. The side air intakes are carefully integrated into the body to feed air directly to the mid-mounted engine. Every curve and line serves a purpose, helping the car stay planted at high speed while maintaining that elegant Maserati design language. At the rear, the design becomes more aggressive. Slim taillights stretch across the back, giving the car a wide and futuristic appearance. The rear diffuser is large and functional, improving airflow underneath the car and increasing downforce. Dual exhaust outlets sit proudly in the center, reminding you that this machine is built for serious performance. The entire rear section feels muscular and race-inspired without losing that signature Italian sophistication. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the MC20 truly shines. Under the hood, or more accurately behind the cabin, sits Maserati's revolutionary Nettuno engine. This is a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 that produces around 621 horsepower and approximately 538 pound-feet of torque. That may sound like just numbers, but when you experience how this engine delivers power, it feels absolutely explosive. The engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that shifts incredibly fast and smoothly. Power is sent to the rear wheels, which makes the driving experience feel raw and engaging. Thanks to the lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, the MC20 keeps its weight low, allowing it to accelerate with incredible intensity. The performance numbers are seriously impressive. The 2026 Maserati MC20 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.9 seconds. That puts it right in the territory of some of the most respected supercars in the world. The top speed reaches roughly 202 miles per hour, making it not only quick off the line but also incredibly fast on long stretches of road. Handling is another highlight of the MC20. Maserati engineered the suspension to balance comfort and performance, which means the car feels stable and precise when pushing hard through corners, but still comfortable enough for everyday driving. The steering is sharp and responsive, giving the driver confidence and control. Whether you're on a racetrack or a winding mountain road, the MC20 feels like it was built to deliver pure driving excitement. Braking performance is equally impressive. Large, high-performance brake systems provide strong stopping power, and the optional carbon ceramic brakes take that capability even further. This ensures the car can handle aggressive driving while maintaining excellent control and safety. Step inside the cabin and you'll notice that Maserati kept the interior focused and driver-oriented. Unlike some supercars that overload the cabin with excessive luxury, the MC20 keeps things clean, modern, and purposeful. The dashboard design is minimalist, allowing the driver to focus on the road and the driving experience. High-quality materials are used throughout the interior, including Alcantara carbon fiber and premium leather. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, providing excellent support during high-speed driving. While still being comfortable for longer trips, the driving position is low and immersive, making you feel truly connected to the car. In front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster that displays important information such as speed, performance data, and navigation. In the center of the dashboard, A 10-inch infotainment touchscreen provides access to media, connectivity features, and vehicle settings. The system supports smartphone connectivity, making it easy to integrate your favorite apps and music. Another highlight of the interior is the center console, which includes a unique drive mode selector. Drivers can choose between several modes including GT, Sport, Corsa, and Wet mode. Each mode adjusts the car's throttle response, suspension behavior, and traction control settings to match different driving conditions. Corsa mode is especially exciting because it unlocks the car's most aggressive performance settings. Despite being a high-performance supercar, the MC20 still offers a surprising level of practicality. There is some storage space in the front trunk and behind the engine, making it possible to bring small luggage or essentials for a weekend drive. It's not a family car by any means, but for a supercar, it's quite usable. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026 Maserati MC20 is positioned as a premium supercar, and its price reflects that status. The starting price is expected to be around $235,000, depending on the market and customization options. However, with additional options, special paint colors, and performance upgrades, the price can easily climb well beyond that figure. Even with that price tag, the MC20 offers something special that many competitors struggle to match. It combines breathtaking performance with beautiful Italian design and a sense of exclusivity that makes every drive feel unique. Maserati has successfully created a supercar that honors the brand's racing heritage while pushing forward into a new era of technology and innovation. For enthusiasts and collectors, the MC20 represents an exciting chapter in Maserati's history. It's a car that proves the brand can compete with the best supercars in the world while still maintaining its own identity and style. From the stunning exterior to the powerful Nettuno engine and driver-focused interior, every part of the MC20 feels carefully engineered to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. The 2026 Maserati MC20 is not just a car, it's a statement of speed, design, and passion that reminds us why Italian supercars continue to capture the imagination of drivers all over the world. Thank you for watching and spending time with us as we explored the incredible 2026 Maserati MC20. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what you think about this amazing Italian supercar. See you in the next video.